Okay, this is the Spooky Village Haunted TV. Still has the original hang tag, and it is made to look like one of the old CRT TVs. It has these little peg feet, which are removable, and there's actually a spot in the back of the TV where you can store them if you didn't want to use them. It has either a motion sensor setting, or you can turn the knob. So you can actually see that this is a very soft, sheer kind of mesh. It looks like it had been glued a little bit tighter, but I guess when the face comes out, it needs some extra room because it does push that cloth out. It's got a really great 3D effect to it. And like I said, if you wanted to, there is the knob off or a motion sensor. It takes batteries. Here's a speaker, and then there's that other storage compartment for the feet. So I think it's a really cute little addition to any Halloween display.